Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so this is our room, you know, because we have like 3 beds. Like we're the lucky. Well, we're special like that. Yeah, everybody loves us. We're like 2. Oh my god.
There's 2.
Seriously? Now we don't need like walk in line to like. Or dude, this is so cool. Cause hey, see, I told you. What did I tell you? I needed a blow dryer.
Oh, now this is like happy
Oh, I caught this bed.
It's so.
Open the lights.
This is so fun.
I know.
Oh my god. Shall we sleep on the TV? Shall sleep on the table?
Where's the TV? Where's the TV?
Screen.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Damn.
Did we get like a sweet or something?
Oh, but I don't really care.
Disney Channel.
I know, me too. I don't want to watch. I want to watch
This is so cool.
I know. This is.
I'm gonna write about it in my journal.
No, I'm not gonna swim today. Yeah. Well, because I didn't finish my journal. And then we'll just meet you there, and then you could just hug someone there. It's all good.
Oh, that's weird. All naked? Oh my god. What? I was like, wow. I was like, I put on sunblock on.
Yeah, you know there's no sun, right?
Oh yeah, true.
So you just,
oh my god, what's this?
oh, can you connect it to like the computer or something? And then this could be the keyboard.
Let's just watch TV the whole night.
Oh, this is so cool. Hey.
Everyone's just here?
I know. It's like a museum or something. Is this like the Bible or something?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot, it is. Hey, this is a nice bed. Movie and oh well.